Ang labanan actually is, when we talk about being financially free, it's passive income divided by expenses. Hindi active income. Kapag yung passive income ay kaya niyang i-cover lahat ng expenses natin, what does it mean? You're financially free. Car, is it earning or not? It depends on.
If you put your car into Grab Drive and it's giving you income, that's an asset.
Ano ba yung mga ina-accumulate natin na mga assets? Are these earning or are these just depreciating? Clothes, earning or depreciating? Jewelry, earning or depreciating? It depends on what? I'll give you the real score in terms of jewelry. They don't count the craftsmanship that goes with it. At the end of the day, pagka isinangla mo yan, they will weigh it actually. At kapag ititrade na nila, imi-melt nila yon. Ano yung practical? If you have gold coins, gold bars, gold bullions. Pero kung bibigyan kayo, tatanggihan nyo ba? Okay pa rin yun.